that we have on the coding cards is how to spin a sprite on the game stage. And the steps for which are the same, that we go to the sprites library. From the letters category, we take the desired sprite and we give this particular instruction set to that particular sprite. And further, they have added one more thing, that when we click on this particular instruction, point in direction 90, so the sprite will reset its own direction. Now, in order to begin this particular activity, we are going to open the Scratch project that we have already saved, the first one. And we will go to the sprites library and take one more sprite for this particular activity. So from the letters category, we can have any desired sprite like this and place it accordingly on the game stage. And now we have to give the instruction set which was given in the coding cards to this particular sprite. And the first instruction would be from the events category, that when we click on this particular sprite, and this is basically going to spin on the game stage, so we are going to use a loop here that will be a repeat block with 10 times and turn 15 degrees. Now every time when we click on this particular sprite, so this is going to spin on the game stage, as you can see. Further, what you can see is when we click on the point in direction 90 command, so it is getting reset direction.